I like after kind of getting started, how much would you make within an hour?
It really, like I said before, it kind of just depends on the rates that you set. Starting
Yeah.
off, I would not expect to make a lot. You kind of have to, I suggested in the video that I made about this to do $1 or $2 under most people in your area because people are more likely to get someone that obviously has had a lot of has had had a lot of clients. So
Yeah.
you kind of have to start off being competitive. So like for me, it was probably like, you know, $10 an hour, which sounds really bad today, but that was like 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah.
And I probably live in a smaller town than some people. I know people in New York City or like LA can probably make a lot more in an hour walking dogs on Rover.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think so because I think in LA minimum wage is like 16.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It really depends on what your minimum wage is at that time, and then just making yourself competitive compared to the other people
Yeah.
on here starting off.
Yeah, it makes sense.